Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking kitchen. You know how they say that in the kitchen you need to learn how to adapt and improvise? Well, this recipe does just that. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. Start by soaking the rice in water for at least half an hour. It helps take out some of the toxins, plus it will digest better. No fancy stuff. Use your finger to swirl it to speed up the process. That's how we do it in my family for generations. Slice the onion, garlic and chili pepper. Over medium-high heat, add about a tablespoon of oil, then add the spices and let it infuse for a minute or two. If you've watched my other videos, you know my ginger is kept in the freezer, so that's why some of the ice fell in the hot oil. Try to avoid that. Next, pour in the plate from earlier and mix until it's all coated evenly. Once that's done, let it cook for another minute and then add some rice. Spread it around and you've guessed it, mix well. Now add the can of peas and carrots. You can use some of the liquid there or add about a quarter cup of water. Mix around and cover for about 3 minutes. Give it another stir so it won't stick to the bottom. Now comes the fun part. Cheese. I'm using a mix of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. Turn off the heat, spread it evenly and cover for about 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Simply amazing. Now I'm getting hungry. You can simply take the pan to the table and eat right out of it. I didn't make it to the table. It's just too delicious. My mom was surprised to see rice with cheese, but once she tasted it, she asked for seconds. So let me know in the comments below if you've made it and how it turned out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!